I'm Tyler Cooper, and here's the NFL news. If I was Eli Manning, I'd be looking like this too as Atlanta shut out New York. The first time since 1996 when New York played the Philadelphia Eagles. In other news, the Baltimore Ravens have announced that Ray Lewis might start on the defense, and that can bring spirits back for that Baltimore team. In other news, Tim Tebow might be facing free agency. See, I don't understand this because they get Tim Tebow for no reason, just to sit him on the bench under Mark Sanchez, and then they both sit him down for a third string. Rex Ryan, we don't know what's going on in that brain of his. Now, Jacob.
This is this week's funniest picture.
Now it's time for Coop Dogs Player of the Week. And I'm going with Julio Jones this week with some excellent catches against the New York Giants.